Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Shelley, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer excellent long-distance moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to move across the country or just one state over, we can help. Our professional movers know exactly how to make your move simple. Relocating isn't easy. You have a new city to get used to and so many other things to worry about. Let us handle the hard work in moving for you. When it's time to move locally, an Idaho moving company is a wise choice. Without help, you might struggle to load the moving truck and get everything down the road. Hiring professionals means you can relax, as they will take care of all the heavy lifting for you. 3 Movers knows how to make your move easier. We save you time and energy, even on a short local move. Let us show you how a professional team makes moving simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shelley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.